take it up a notch. Puffin' a lot while I'm strolling up the block. Mid-city when it buzz, it pops like an outlet when the conductor's hot, cool, then I rush the spot. No, you can't touch my locks. Well, maybe if you act like a lady and the queen that you are. I ain't no superstar, we're all superstars, strumming 2 guitars, 12 strings hit like Cuban cigars. New Benz a car, no Geneva, Yarbrough's great-grandson, Junior Bantam, phantom, chance of a lifetime, show the anthem, and some. Write rhymes for ransom. In my life, no thing happens at random. Learn to watch for tandem coincidences, incenses at home while I roam the mansion.
This is what we came here for. B-girls, B-boys, report to the floor. Drop down, make crop circles, spread hip-hop around the club. Hey yo, this is what we came here for. B-girls, B-boys, report to the floor. Drop down, make crop circles, spread hip-hop around the club.
Some got sons on your block, someone buy me a rum and coke on the rocks. We're about to get this party started, synchronize your watch.
With the time allowed it, the place got crowded. Ret dropped the needle, the whole spot shouted.
Vision, millennium and militia, loving languages cause Los Angeles is the issue.
Yeah, we're gonna get you in a frame of mind, and we're helping you paint the picture with a plush paintbrush.
Don't be mad because you ain't us. Thanks to all the sponsors of keeping us in the latest. Back in the day when we went home on the late bus, we knew in our hearts
we were the great us. Made us kick up with the fist up, amped off reaction like it's my 5th cup. This cut will properly